Hello beautiful people, welcome back once again to our channel. So today is learning with Ethan. He's gonna be saying A to Z and what it stands for, and you also sign Joshua 1:9 and John 3:16. Hope you enjoy. Ethan, let's go. A is for
apple.
B is for
Ball.
C is for
Cat.
D is for
Ducky.
E is for
Eagle.
F is for
Flower.
flower. G is for
Guitar.
H is for
Bush.
I is for
Easy.
itsy. Excellent job. J is for what is J? I don't get that. K is for kite. L is for
Weavers.
L is for
Weavers.
what's that?
Weavers.
I don't understand what you're talking about, my son. L is for
Weavers.
I don't understand that, darling. Is it lion you're talking about?
Whoa.
M is for
Lucky.
N is for
Nose.
excellent job. O is for
Orange.
P is for panda or pigeon. What are you saying? Q is for
Queen.
R is for
Bebes.
S is for
Bishop.
baby shark. T is for
Apple.
turtle. Beautiful. U is for
Awawa.
umbrella. V is for
David.
violin. You're doing so well, darling. W is for
What?
well. Good.
Wow.
Or did you say watch? Is that what you said?
What?
Watch.
Wow.
Okay. X is for
Weapon.
X is for
Apple.
is it xylophone he's saying? What are you saying? X is for
Apple.
I don't know what you're talking about, Sha. It's so hard to understand what he's saying. Y is for
Yellow.
yellow. Z is for
Zero.
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 Zebra. Clap for Ethan. Ethan is doing so well. So, are you gonna recite Joshua 1:9 for mommy and the viewers?
A B C D E F T.
I know.
H I J
So let's sign Joshua 1:9, darling. Excellent job. So, shall we sign Joshua 1:9, darling? Joshua 1:9. Be strong and brave. That's God, will be with you everywhere you go. Beautiful. Shall we say one more time? Again. Joshua 1:9. Be strong and brave. That's God, will be with you everywhere you go. Great job, Ethan. Should we say John 3:16? Oh yeah, let's say John 3:16. John 3:16. For God so loved the world so much that he gave his one and only son. Wah, wah. Should we say it again? John 3:16. For God so loved the world so much. I made a mistake though. That he gave his one and only son. Wah, wah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Excellent job! Do you want to keep counting? 21?
2, 3, 4, 20.
You are doing well, my son. I'm proud of you. The snake says, the lion says, the horse says, the bird says, the donkey says, the monkey says, the goat says, the sheep says, I've forgotten the other. What again should I ask you? The elephant says, good boy. The chicken says, chicken. The chick says, I don't know what I mean. The frog says, the bear says, not the bird, go. That's not the dinosaurs. What does dinosaur says? Okay. The dog says, and the dog says, no, the dog, the puppy, woof woof. The squirrel says, the mouse says, the pig says, and the lion. Clap for Ethan. That was so much fun. That was learning time with Ethan. See you guys in our next video. Bye. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you in our next video. Bye. Ethan, say bye.
Bye.
Good boy.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
See you.